Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the image. Tap the plus icon and choose JPG, hike, or RAW so you keep detail. Once imported, make sure to inspect orientation and overall exposure. This avoids wasted edits later. You should duplicate or export a backup copy now because Snapseed edits non-destructively only in the session. Next, tap Tune Image to address brightness, contrast, and ambience. These three set the tone for all selective and brushwork that follows. Once global tweaks are set, you move into local corrections to refine the photo. Start with selective to raise or lower exposure, contrast, or saturation on key areas because targeted changes preserve background detail. Then use the brush tool for controlled dodge and burn. Apply light strokes at 10 to 30% so edits look natural. Finally, use healing to remove blemishes or small distractions. Zoom in for accuracy, and make sure to toggle between before and after to verify. You finish by adding style and exporting the final image. First, apply a look or tweak curves for a consistent color grade, but reduce filter opacity if it feels too strong. Once satisfied, use Export Save a Copy and choose JPEG quality around 90% for web delivery, or export as TIFF if you need maximum quality. If you spot halos, noise, or weird artifacts, make sure to undo sharpening or lower structure. Alternatively, revert the last stack step and reapply milder settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.